Hello students, today we are here to learn a new chapter, the 15th chapter. 15th chapter is स्वतंत्रता के अग्रदूत महात्मा गांधी. Chapter's title is स्वतंत्रता के अग्रदूत महात्मा गांधी. स्वतंत्रता यानी freedom, independence. Okay, the leader of independence, that means independent India. Who is that? Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so we are going to study about Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation. You know that. So here I'll introduce the chapter for you from Part Pravesh. Okay. महात्मा गांधी जी महान पुरुष थे. You know that महात्मा गांधी was a great person, महान पुरुष. उन्होंने हमें स्वतंत्रता दिलाई थी. He made भारत, India, independent. He gave us independent India, that means independence, freedom. सत्य एवं अहिंसा ही उनका मूल मंत्र था. He was doing things according to only the truth and non-violence. Okay, he was actually insisting the truth and non-violence. Okay, he never done any wrong thing for getting independence, for making our India independent, isn't it? He followed the truth and non-violence to make our India free. Okay. उन्होंने सुधार के कई कार्य किए. He done many works for the improvement of Bharat. That means for uplifting India, isn't it? सुधार के कार्य, the works for the upliftment, progress, development. Okay. भारत में ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे विश्व में लोग उनका बहुत सम्मान करते हैं. भारत में ही नहीं, not only in India, he was famous all over the world. Okay, he was very famous all over this world. Okay, so we are going to start the chapter now. All of you listen carefully. मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी ने अपनी निस्वार्थ सेवा से विश्व में महत्वपूर्ण स्थान प्राप्त किया. महत्वपूर्ण स्थान, what is mean महत्वपूर्ण स्थान? You can see in part सारांश of this lesson. Mahatma Gandhi had carved a special place for himself with the selfless work. Okay, he has carved a special place for himself with what, you know, with his selfless work. निस्वार्थ भाव, निस्वार्थ होना, selfless होना. Okay, विश्व में महत्वपूर्ण स्थान प्राप्त किया. He has an important place in this world. Okay. उनका जीवन विश्व के इतिहास में स्वर्ण अक्षरों में अंकित है. His life is written with golden letters. What's be that? What's be that about his life? Why it is so? His life was very special, and he is very famous also. वे भारतीय स्वतंत्रता के अग्रदूत थे. उन्होंने सत्य एवं अहिंसा के पथ पर चलकर ब्रिटिश शासन की नींव हिला दी थी. उन्हें सारा संसार महात्मा गांधी के नाम से जानता है. वे भारतीय स्वतंत्रता के अग्रदूत थे. He was the leader of भारतीय स्वतंत्रता, Indian independence. That means he was the first person who tried for the freedom here. Okay, who tried to make India free from the Britishers. So we can call him Agradut, isn't it? Agradut means the person who started any work earlier and he achieved that goal, isn't it? So here we can say that he was a leader, such a leader, great leader who achieved his goal. That what was his goal actually? What was his aim? For making India free from Britishers. Okay, and he was succeeded in that. Okay, children. So here next sentence, सत्य एवं अहिंसा के पथ पर चलकर. कहाँ, किस तरह वो चला था? कौन से मार्ग पर वो चला? सत्य के मार्ग पर. Okay, he never told a lie, isn't it? वो सत्य के मार्ग पर चलने वाला था. He was insisting truth in his full life. Ahimsa, non-violence also. Okay, and he destroyed the rule of Britishers. Okay, the British government. उन्हें सारा संसार महात्मा गांधी के नाम से जानता है. He was known as Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma, the great soul, isn't it? Mahatma, which means great soul. Mahatma Gandhi. He was famous as Mahatma Gandhi all over this world. Okay. भारतवासी उन्हें प्यार से बापू भी कहते हैं. मतलब Indians call him बापूजी, बापू. Okay, बापू यानी father of our nation. Okay. Now let us move to the second paragraph. गांधी जी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर सन 1869 को गुजरात के पोरबंदर नामक स्थान पर हुआ. उनके बचपन का नाम मोहनदास था और उनके पिताजी का नाम करमचंद था. Now it's about the birth of गांधी जी. Okay, उनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर में हुआ, 1869 में हुआ था और गुजरात के पोरबंदर में नामक स्थान पे उनका जन्म हुआ था. Okay, उनके बचपन का नाम, his name, childhood name was मोहनदास और उनके पिताजी का नाम क्या था? करमचंद गांधी था, करमचंद था. ओके. भारत में प्रारंभिक शिक्षा समाप्त कर वे बैरिस्ट्री करने इंग्लैंड गए. ही वेंट टू इंग्लैंड फॉर स्टडिंग बैरिस्ट्री. ओके. आफ्टर द प्राइमरी एजुकेशन he done his education in Bharat, then he went to England for studying barristry. Okay. विदेश से शिक्षा प्राप्त कर वे भारत आकर वकालत करने लगे. After coming from विदेश, foreign country, that means England, he became a lawyer, committed as lawyer. Okay, वकील. वे कभी छोटे मुकदमे नहीं लेते थे. वो never takes any case in which he had to tell lies. Okay, he was always careful about it. He always talk what truth only. Okay. एक बार गांधी जी को मुकदमे के लिए दक्षिण अफ्रीका जाना पड़ा. Once he had to go to दक्षिण अफ्रीका, South Africa, for what? For a case. Okay, for doing any case or something. मुकदमा यानी case. There what happened? वहाँ उन्होंने गौरों द्वारा, गौरा means Britishers, that means white man, that means Britisher. भारतीयों पर किया गया अत्याचार देखा. There he saw with his own eyes what is the behavior, cruel behavior of British person, that means Britishers to Indians. Okay, so all these things he faced in front of his own eyes. He saw in front of his eyes. Then क्या हुआ? वहीं उन्होंने सत्याग्रह का सबसे पहला प्रयोग किया. There he started सत्याग्रह that means for fighting against this. He started satyagraha here. He wanted to stop this type of cruel attitude of Britishers towards Indians. Okay. फिर गांधी जी भारत लौटे. After that he went to Bharat. He returned to Bharat, India. Okay. उन्होंने अंग्रेजों को भारत छोड़ने के लिए मजबूर किया. He forced the Britishers, अंग्रेज यानी Britishers, भारत छोड़ने के लिए मजबूर किया. He forced the Britishers to leave India. That means to go from India, isn't it? उन्होंने नारा लगाया और आंदोलन का शंखनाद किया. उन्होंने नारा लगाया. नारा means raising slogans. नारा लगाना, नारा लगाकर he raised slogans for getting freedom. Then आंदोलन, he started some struggles and all. Okay, movements, freedom movements he started. उन्हें अनेक बार जेल भी जाना पड़ा. Many times he had to go to jail for all these things, for conducting this आंदोलन, freedom movement struggles. Okay, he had to go to jail also many times. अंत में at last finally 15th August, that means 15 अगस्त सन 1947 को भारत स्वतंत्र हुआ. In 1947 India got freedom. India became independent. Okay. भारत विभाजन होते ही आपसी दंगे शुरू हो गए. Not only that, after getting freedom also, विभाजन after getting freedom, भारत and India and Pakistan actually it was just separated, isn't it? You know that in partition time also what happened, vibhajan means partition time. That time dange shuru ho gaye, all the dange, the fighting or quarrel dispute started in between Muslims, the what do you call, Hindus and all. So शांति स्थापना करने के लिए गांधी जी ने क्या किया, अनशन किया। गांधी जी ने शांति की स्थापना करने के लिए for keeping peace and harmony, Gandhi ji took many fasts. Okay, he took fast also. Okay, so he had struggled a lot for our India. नेक्स्ट क्या हुआ देखो, 30 जनवरी सन 1948 को प्रार्थना सभा में नाथुराम गोडसे ने उन्हें गोली मार दी। And at last 30th January in 1948, in a Prarthana Sabha, while going to Prarthana, that means while going for Prarthana, that means prayer, for a prayer, he was going to pray. That time, what happened, one person named Nathuram Godse, he just shoot him. Okay, and Gandhiji died. गांधी के मुख से अंतिम शब्द निकले, हे राम, last word what came out from his mouth, it was हे राम. Okay, गांधी जी सत्य एवं अहिंसा के पुजारी थे, वे सत्य को ही ईश्वर मानते थे. गांधी जी was insisting everyone to say, to follow the truth and non-violence. वो सत्य के पुजारी थे, पूजा करने वाला था, सत्य की पूजा करने वाले थे. Okay, one who worship सत्य, honesty, the truth. Okay, he was worshipping truth and non-violence. वो ईश्वर मानते थे, सत्य को ईश्वर मानते थे. He considered the truth as the God Almighty. Okay. वे अन्याय एवं अत्याचार के आगे कभी नहीं झुके. He never bow in front of any injustice. अन्याय यानी injustice एवं अत्याचार, cruelty. Okay, he was not ready to bow his head in front of these things, what injustice and cruelty. He never suffered, or he never want to suffer this. Okay, he was always fighting against all these things, अन्याय, अत्याचार, injustice and cruelty. वे मेहनत एवं निष्ठा पर जोर देते थे. He was very hardworking. Okay, he was very hardworking, and what you can say, मेहनत एवं निष्ठा पर he was giving very much importance for hard work and निष्ठा, effort, hard work. Okay, उन्होंने सुधार के अनेक कार्य किए. He just done many works for improvement, that means upliftment. हरिजनों का उद्धार. What is it by Harijan? We can see here, we can see that Harijan, you know that backward community. Harijan के welfare, that means Harijan के, what is the Hindi word for that? Harijan का उद्धार, welfare of Harijan. Okay, it was his main aim. Okay. वे स्त्री शिक्षा के पक्ष में थे. The women education also, he promoted women education. He worked very much for women education. उन्होंने बाल विवाह, सती प्रथा, पर्दा प्रथा आदि का भी विरोध किया. He was against of child marriage, बाल विवाह, सती प्रथा. He abolished, that means he was just worked for the abolishment of sati. Okay, पर्दा प्रथा, पर्दा also, it's also, you know that पर्दा, Muslims has to put पर्दा, isn't it? So he was just against of all these things, sati, just bad customs such as sati, बाल विवाह, childhood, child marriage. Okay, आदि का विरोध किया. उन्होंने बुनियादी शिक्षा प्रणाली विकसित की. Not only that, he just developed fundamental education for everyone. Okay, बुनियादी शिक्षा, fundamental education. Then भारत में ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे विश्व में लोग उनका बहुत सम्मान करते हैं. भारत में ही नहीं, पूरे विश्व में. He is highly respected by all over this world, not only by Indians, isn't it? He is highly respected all over this world. Okay, this is the chapter related to Gandhiji. स्वतंत्रता के अग्रदूत. Okay, he developed a fundamental education. Then he was just worked for opposition of childhood marriage. Sorry, that means child marriage, abolishment for sati system. Okay, Harijan welfare. So these are the main upliftments what done by Gandhiji. Okay, children. So read the chapter very well and study all the questions, meanings, synonyms, etc. Read 3 or 4 times the chapter. Okay, hope that all of you understood about this chapter. Thank you.